Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving ownership. Collect the device serial or IMEI, purchase receipt, and the Google account email linked to the phone. Once done, ready a government photo ID and note where backups live so you can restore later. Make sure the phone has at least 30% battery and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection before proceeding. This prevents interruptions if support or official recovery tools require downloads or verification steps. Next, follow official recovery channels rather than searching for bypass hacks. Use Google's Find My Device or Account Recovery if the phone accepts your linked credentials. This can remotely unlock or erase securely. If that fails, contact the phone maker's support team and provide proof of purchase and ID so they can recommend authenticated unlock options. Alternatively, visit an authorized service center where technicians verify ownership. For the final stage, escalate to a factory reset only if all verified recovery methods fail and you accept complete data loss. Make sure you truly exhausted account recovery and support options first. If you have backups tied to your account or cloud, confirm those are intact so you can restore after reset. If things go wrong, recheck account credentials, call support again, and visit an authorized center. Repeating official recovery attempts is safer than unverified bypass methods and protects your device integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.